beautiful people, my name's Xtine, and today I'm going to show you how to make some maple roasted carrot fries. These maple roasted carrot fries are delicious on their own as a little snack, as a side dish, or in salads. This is a super simple recipe. You only need a few ingredients. Maple syrup is a key one, some carrots. I'm going to use 6 today, olive oil, pepper, and a few other spices. I'm using garlic salt, chili powder, and red pepper flakes because I like a little kick. I don't know if you've ever roasted carrots before, but they get all caramelized and sweet, and it's delicious. I think that's enough preamble. Let's get started roasting these carrots.
The first thing we need to do is cut these carrots into fries. Start by removing the tops and bottoms, cut them in half, and then give yourself a flat edge to rest the carrot on while you finish slicing. This will make your life a lot easier. Slice all your carrots into fries and put them in a large bowl. Now it's time for maple syrup. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of this, and we'll mix it all up in a second. Next, olive oil. We're gonna add another 2 tablespoons of this. You can add more or less depending on how many carrots you're roasting. Now it's time for spices. I'm adding red pepper first, and I'm just gonna eyeball it. Next up is chili powder, and I like a lot of this, but you can definitely adjust based on how much heat you want. Next, garlic salt, about a teaspoon, and regular salt. I forgot to mention it at the beginning of this video. And finally, pepper. Mix this all up until all your carrots are evenly coated. And now we're ready to bake these bad boys. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil, dump your fries on there, and spread them out into an even layer. Bake for 25 minutes at 425 degrees, and you'll have these gorgeous, super flavorful, caramelized and chewy carrot fries. What a treat.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope your carrots come out absolutely delicious, delectable, scrumptious. If you liked this video, maybe subscribe. For more fun little recipes, tips, tricks, and just hanging out. Cause what are we all doing here, you know? What is it all for? What does it all mean?